Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you reset your password on Darwinbox. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. So the first thing you want to do is that open up the Darwinbox app on your mobile. Over here you will see two login options. Login with QR code and enter your organization URL. After that tap on the enter organization URL and type in correct URL provided by your organization. Then tap on the right arrow button to proceed. Now you'll see the login page where you need to enter your username. Over here use either your employee ID or registration email ID link to your Darwinbox account. Then scroll up and tap on the forget password on the next page. Remove the username, enter your registered email ID correctly. If there are extra spaces, make sure to remove them. After that, tap on the send email. If the email ID registered, you will receive a password reset email. Now go to your inbox and check for the email ID or email from the Darwinbox over here. Tap on the click here link in the email to proceed with the resetting your password. Then select a browser like Chrome to open the reset page over here. Enter your new password. Make sure to meet the required criteria, minimum of 8 character at least, one uppercase at least, one special character at least number of after that. Confirm your new password and tap on the change. Once your password is successfully reset, go back to the login page, enter your credential and sign in. So that's how you can reset your password on Darwinbox. That's it.